Hello friends, welcome back to this session. Again, we are going to see one more generative AI project in today's session. So today's session, let's try to see what is our today's topic for the projects. So this is basically very simple project which actually generate your blog with your keywords. So I want to write a blog with generative AI and that will create a blog for me. So that is very important and very interesting topic today. So most of people are writing the blogs and they do tricking with the different prompts. So we have make the innovative prompts inside our code. You just have to give your the prompt. So let's see what is the part of this projects. I hope you like this one. So right now I'm in my code. This is GenAI Blog Creator, and there is a structure. If you see, there is a app.py and util.py and requirement.txt that will help to the install the dependencies. So let's start from the requirement.txt because basically we are using the Groq API here, Streamlit, Python.env and Streamlit.t. So these are the important dependencies which required in today's session. Let's look at the app.py. So basically we are taking the inputs from the UI and this is the input part, and you can give your keyword here. So what keyword you want to create for the blog, and there are some configuration which give your automated the thinking part. Basically you want some innovative good rich UI, so you can showcase that part from here. So that will generate a button here and that will give your UI part. Util.py, if you see here, so util.py we are using the Groq API here, and here we have given the prompt. So that function will generate the blog and using this prompt. So here we have given the prompt that will take your input of your keyword, what you are doing from the UI. So this prompt will generate and that will populate details in your UI. So this is very simple projects. Let's try to run and let's try to understand how this is working. So to run this project, that's very simple. Streamlit run app.py. This will directly run your UI. This will generate your page here. You can see here, and this will populating your details here. So this is our blog. That's our home page, and some basic keyword is already we have suggested here. That comes here. This is the UI here. Which actually take the input. You can modify this UI. We have created generate blog post, now that button here. We can make the integration with other tool like Medium or other any blog spot website where you want to post your blogs. So that can be enhanced. If you want to really interest, you can contribute in these projects and you can learn. So I'll share the GitHub link, post this demo, so you can download that code. You can export in your local environment and you can try to run. I'll add the readme file so you can also get the steps how to execute. So let me just click on the generate blog here. So this will actually start generating blog. You can see this is the crafting your new blog. So it's generated here. You can see it's given the label itself, the new one. You can see here you given the AI tool productivity 2025 and digital transformation, but it's make its own the name. So AI tool for the productivity, visual listening, digital transformation in 2024, 25 and beyond. So this is basically generated automatically, and you can see the blog is completely created here. So this is the complete blog here. You can see till the end. So you can see this is a properly blog created. It's give the different combination like comparison table, call to action. You can see the FAQ also, some expert insights, a comparison part, challenges and limitations. See whatever it's relevant, it will add here. So this will generate your very high resolutive SEO blogs, and you can deploy the same with your internal projects for student who have the college projects. They can use this kind of projects and they can contribute in their study part. So guys, this is all about today's session. We will come with the new project again, and till time, thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.